Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever noticed something strange about the world? When someone is rich, people listen. When someone has power, people respect them. But when someone is kind, honest, and hardworking, sometimes nobody notices. Why? Today we are going to talk about a difficult truth. Do people respect you or your money? Look carefully at the world around you, in school, in business, on social media. Who gets attention? The person with money, the person with status, the person with influence. Now think about this. Two people enter a room. One is rich, one is kind. Who gets more respect? Most of the time, it is the rich person. This is not always right, but it is often true. Let's be honest. When you have money, people call you, people invite you, people agree with you. But when you don't have money, people ignore you. People doubt you, people forget you. It feels painful, but this is a reality many people experience. People don't always respect the person, they respect the lifestyle. Let's learn some simple sentences. People respect money, people follow success, people ignore weakness, people admire power. Money can buy attention, money can buy comfort, money can even buy fake respect, but money cannot buy true friendship, real loyalty, honest love. Ask yourself, if you lose all your money today, who will stay with you? That is your real respect. There are two types of respect. One, temporary respect. This comes from money, status, and power. It is loud, it is visible, but it disappears quickly. Two, real respect. This comes from character. It comes from discipline, honesty, consistency, kindness. This respect is quiet, but it lasts forever. However, reality often tells a different story. A person who is kind and hardworking but financially struggling may not receive the same attention or appreciation as someone who is rich and successful. This shows that in many cases, money plays a powerful role in shaping how people are treated. Now listen carefully. This is very important. Money is not the enemy. Money is a tool. In today's world, money gives you opportunities. Money gives you freedom. Money gives you security. Without money, life becomes stressful. You cannot ignore money, but you must understand it. Balance the idea. Do not say money is everything. Money is useless. Instead, say money is important, but not everything. The real problem is not money. The real problem is people depend on money for respect. When your identity becomes your bank balance, you become weak. Because your value depends on something external, and anything external can disappear. Deep thought. If people only respect your money, they don't respect you. They respect what you have. So, what should you do? Here is the answer. Step 1, build skills. Skills create value. Value creates income. Income creates freedom. Step 2, build discipline. Wake up early. Stay consistent. Do the work even when you don't feel like it. Step 3, build character. Be honest. Keep your word. Respect others, even when no one is watching. Step 4, build financial strength. Yes, earn money, save money, invest money, not for ego, but for freedom. Don't chase respect, don't chase attention, don't chase people. Instead, build yourself. Because when you become valuable, people will naturally respect you. The world respects money. That is a reality. But you must decide. Will you depend on money for respect, or will you become someone worth respecting? Because at the end of the day, money can open doors, but character keeps them open. People may respect your money, but the right people will respect your soul. While it is true that many people in society respect money, this type of respect is often shallow and temporary. Real respect goes deeper, it is based on who you are as a person. Although money can open doors and create opportunities, it is character that sustains relationships and earns lasting admiration. Therefore, instead of chasing respect from others, individuals should focus on becoming better versions of themselves. So, remember this, people may respect your money, but the right people will respect you, and those are the people who truly matter. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.